So today we have lined up two practicals. Both are related to Praval, that is coral. If you remember, I always tell in the class that Jamnagar is famous for few of the Rasaushadis or related components. Praval is one of them. Jamnagar is famous for Bandhani. We use Kankshi in our as ras dravya, whereas in Bandhani they use it for better color. Jamnagar is also known as brass city. So in brass there is copper, and copper is our tamra. We use brass as medicine as well. We use sindura. Jamnagar is very famous for sindur as well. One of the synonym of Fatakdi is Saurashtri. So Saurashtri is again found in Jamnagar district. Likewise, this coral, as you can see in this picture, is very much commonly found in the coastal area of Jamnagar district. So, praval or coral is easily found in our area, but it is very special and very unique as medicine as well. Coral is, however, one marine product. There are more than 5,000 varieties of coral available throughout the globe. We'll see some of interesting videos as well. It is very rich in calcium, which can be easily absorbed by the body. There are a couple of more videos for you guys to watch. So today's practicals are Praval Shodhan and Praval Pishti. We have already learned few of the yoga where Praval is one of the ingredients. We'll go and we will revise it at the end of the class. For now, I am handing over the session to Dhara ma'am. Dhara ma'am will take you to the journey of practicals of Praval Shodhan and Praval Pishti. Over to you, Dhara ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Hello, friends. Good morning, everyone. Today we learn practical about praval, that is coral. This is the picture of coral. Praval, that is coral, we use in many Ayurvedic medicine in a processed form. Praval are remains of marine coral organism of class Anthusia. Main ingredients of this beautiful coral is calcium carbonate.
कोरल बोन एंड ब्यूटी सिर्फ कैल्शियम नहीं, ये है कोरल कैल्शियम। आयुर्वेद के अनुसार प्रवाल यानी कोरल में होते हैं अनेक लाभदायक ट्रेस मिनरल्स जो आपके बोन्स को बनाए स्ट्रॉन्ग, साथ ही आपके स्किन, हेयर और नेल्स को भी हेल्थी और ब्यूटीफुल बनाए रखने में मदद करता है। 100% नेचुरल कोरल से बना कोरल बोन एंड ब्यूटी, अंदर से हेल्थी तो बाहर से ब्यूटीफुल।
As per we show, coral is used as a allopathy medicine also. अंदर से healthy, बाहर से beautiful. There are several references about praval are available.
Coral reef. Their bright, vivid colors can be seen in tropical ocean waters around the globe. Beyond their brilliant appearance lies a hidden significance. Coral are animals. Though they may look like colorful plants, coral are in fact made up of tiny animals called polyps. range from the size of a pinhead to a bit larger than a basketball. Each polyp consists of a soft sac-like body topped by a mouth covered in stinging tentacles. To protect their soft bodies and add support, the polyps secrete limestone skeletons or calicles. Corals are megabuilders. Polyp calicles connect to one another, creating a colony that acts as a single organism. As colonies grow over hundreds and thousands of years, they join with other colonies and become reefs that can grow to hundreds of miles long. The largest coral reef is Australia's Great Barrier Reef, which began growing about 20,000 years ago. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. Though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to 25% of all marine creatures. It's been estimated that up to 2 million species inhabit coral reefs, rivaling the biodiversity of the rainforest. The reefs provide rich habitat that helps protect young fish as they grow. Coral are translucent. Coral reefs get their rainbow colors from algae or zooxanthellae that live in their tissues. The corals use their tentacles to capture some food. Most of their food comes from the algae they house. When coral becomes stressed by pollution or other factors, they fix their algae. Coral bleaching results revealing corals' white skeletons. Coral provide a window to the past. As coral grow, their limestone skeletons form layers similar to tree rings that vary in composition and thickness based on ocean conditions at the time. With some coral reefs growing for thousands or even millions of years, scientists can study these layers to reveal what the Earth's climate may have been like in the ancient past. Unfortunately, climate change is putting corals' future in danger, along with the millions of species that inhabit the reefs and the 500,000,000 people that rely on reef fish for food. Warming waters result in prolonged coral bleaching that kill coral reefs or leave them vulnerable to other threats. Without significant action on climate change, our oceans will lose many of their colorful reefs by the end of the century.
Acharya Bhav Mishra and Acharya Somdev has included Praval in Navratna group. Praval, which is used for ornamental purpose generally. Internal use of Praval also can be seen from Samhita period. In Charak Samhita, Praval is an ingredient in Dvitiya Brahma Rasayan. It is used for a long life. Praval has been indicated in Dah Jwar to treat fever and a burning sensation. Praval as an ingredient in Kanaka Kshir Tel and Muktadi Churna has been indicated in Kust, Kandu and Hika Swas Kas respectively. According to Sushrut, Praval mainly used for eye disorder. Being a marine product, it is covered with many impurities like silica, chalk, etc. To clean them, we use Swedan process with Swajika Kshar Jal as per the reference Ras Tarangini, Shlok number 32 of chapter number 23. The Shodhan process of a coral सर्जिकाक्षार संयुक्ते सलिले परिपाचितं यामैकेन प्रवालं तु शुद्धितमा नूतमाम्. For the Praval Shodhan, first we take the Praval, then make coarse powder of Praval and make a potli with the help of cotton cloth and triturate in a mortar pestle. Hanging the potli like the picture in Dola Yantra containing Swajika Kshar Jal. The Swajika Kshar Jal prepared 4 times water with Kshar as per the reference Ras Tarangini. Other reference, when we follow other reference, sometimes 6 times water are there. So, hanging the potli in Dola Yantra containing Swajika Kshar Jal, this prepared Dola Yantra kept on fire for a Swedan process. Swedan process is done continue for 3 hours in Swajika Kshar Jal. After Swedan process, Praval is removed from the potli and collect it and wash with cold water. The Shodhan of Praval is to clean them we crush the coral into pieces, tie them in a cotton cloth and boil it in a Swajika Kshar Jal for 3 hours. Thereafter we wash them with cold water and use for a further process. This cleaning process is called Shodhan process of Praval. And observation is being and clear Praval is obtained. After Swedan process, the Kshar Jal become more turbid. Precaution: sufficient quantity of Swajika Kshar Jal should be taken. Potli should not touch to bottom. Then the Praval Shodhan organoleptic taste is: the sparsh of a Shuddha Praval is hard, root, pink, ras is madhur and gandh typical smell. Gun Laghu and Ruksh, Virya is sheath, Vipak Madhur, dose half to 2 rati. The dose is mainly Praval Bhasma or any other formulations to Praval. Anupan is Madhu and Navneet. Karma of Shuddha Praval is Dipan, Pachan, Balya and Chakshushya. The therapeutic use of Praval is Shoth, Kas, Durbalya and Chakshuro. Praval has been used as an indicate in Vasant Kusumakar, which used for Prameh. Also is an ingredient in Sannipat Bhairav Ras and Kandarpa Sundar Ras, which is used for Sannipat Jwar and Vajikaran respectively. Then one of the formulation of Praval is a Praval Pisti. We grind and triturate, that is Mardana of Shuddha coral with rose water for a several hours. To make it fine pink powder, it's called Pisti. Let we learn about a Praval Pisti. The aim is to prepare Praval Pisti. Reference as per the Ayurveda Sar Sangra principle Bhavna. Praval Pisti. The ingredients take Shuddha Praval and Gulab Ark. Praval Pisti is used internally for a diabetes, cough, excessive sweating, burning sensation in eye or skin, hyperacidity, etc. Also, it improves digestion, skin compaction, etc. Praval Pisti is non-toxic and safe for internal use. Let me start the Shodhan of make Praval Pisti. Converting the Shuddha Praval into fine powder with mortar pestle, adding Gulab Ark to the powdered Praval and triturate it well. Give Bhavna. Bhavna is trituration is continued till all the mixture dried up and absorb the liquid portion. This should be considered as one Bhavna. Same process of Bhavna with Gulab Jal is repeated for 21 times. Obtain Praval Pisti after drying. It look like that. Very fine pinkish color powder. Observation: during Mardan, it becomes a fine gradually. Confirmative taste is the Praval Pisti smooth like a freshly prepared butter. Precautions: one should add gula bark in a sufficient quantity. One should triturate it for 21 nights. Organoleptic taste: Sparsh is a snake of Praval Pisti. Color light pink, ras madhur, and gandh is rose-like smell. It is a sheath gun, sheath virya, and a madhur vipaki. The dose is 250 mg. Anupan, madhu, and navneet. Karma, Kashar, Ojgar, and Raktapitahar. Formulations of Praval Pisti is Brihad Kasturi Bhairav Ras, Praval Panchamrit Ras, Brihad Vat Chintamani Ras, Ratna Garbh Potli. The picture of formulations of a Praval Pisti. Kasturi Bhairav Ras. Another reference: 3 types of Kasturi Bhairav Ras found in a Vaishajya Ratnavali Jwar Chikitsa: Swakalp Kasturi Bhairav Ras, Madhyam Kasturi Bhairav Ras, and a Brihad Kasturi Bhairav Ras.
Okay guys, I hope the practicals are clear. They are very simple as well. કોઈને કઈ ડાઉટ છે પ્રેક્ટિકલ્સ બાબતે? So there are many formulations where we use Praval Pisti or Praval Bhasma as ingredient. Some of the most popular medicine are shortlisted here: Brihad Kasturi Bhairav Ras, Praval Panchamrit Ras, Brihat Vachintamani Ras, and Ratnagarbha Potali. When we talk about Kasturi Bhairav Ras, there are different references available. First is Swalpa Kasturi Bhairav Ras, another is Madhyam Kasturi Bhairav Ras, and third one is Brihad Kasturi Bhairav Ras. The basic difference between all of them are their ingredients. For example, if we take Swalpa Kasturi Bhairav Ras, it has Hingul, Visham, that is Vatsanap, Tankanam, that is Tankan, Jatifal, Marich, Pipli, and Kasturi, all in equal quantity. And it is indicated for Sannipate Sudarune. It can be used for controlling Sannipatic Jwar. These are the ingredients as shown in the pictures: Hingul, Jatifal, Marich, Kasturi, etc. The dose would be around 2 to 4 rati, that makes 250 milligram to 500 milligram twice a day. It may be given up to 4 or 5 times. If the fever is not controlled properly, we can give it 4 hourly as well. Ideally, Sahapan should be Kwath of Guduchi or Guduchi Swaras, because Guduchi is said to be one of the best antipyretic drug, or maybe you can use Kirat Tikht as well. Whereas in Madhyam Kasturi Bhairav Ras, there are some more ingredients like Vanga, Kharpara, Suvarna, Tar, that is silver, and the Bhavana Dravyas are Drona Pushpi and Nagavalli, as you can see in this picture. Dose is 1 Rati, and the indications are somewhat different. Mainly it is indicated for controlling Mahashvas, Kafaj Vyadis and Sanipata Jwar, but when it is more of Kafa, Kafolband Sanipata Jwar. It can be also used for Vikrut Garbhashay, that is prolapse of uterus, Prameha, Vishamajvara, Shwasa and Kasa, Rajiakshma, that may be correlated with tuberculosis, Gulma, Shotha and Shukrakshay. And the third one is Bruhat Kasturi Bhairavras. In Bruhat Kasturi Bhairavras, ingredients are Kasturi, that is musk, Tamra Basma. Now this Tamra Basma is additional here. Tamra Basma, Karpur, Suvarna, Rajat, Mukta, Praval. Vidruma, that is Praval. Loha Patha, that is Loha Basma. Abrak and Shuddha Hartal. It also contains Dhataki Pushpa, Atmagupta, that is Kaucha, Mucuna, Pruriens, Patha, Vidanga, Musta, Shunthi, Rivera, Amlakiswaras and Arkaswaras. So these are the ingredients as you can see in the pictures. Kasturi, Kapoor, different types of basmas and herbal ingredients like Ardra, Amlaki, Sunthi, Marish, Pipli, etc. Dose is 1 Rati and Sahapan is Ardrak Swaras. Now you see the indication. It is very much confidently said that Kasturi Bhairav Khyatah Sarva Jwara Vinashanaha. There is nothing like Vatik Jwar, Paitik Jwar, Kafat Jwar or Sanipata Jwar. Sarva Jwar Vinashana. So it can eradicate all types of fevers, all type of Jwara. You must have learned in pathology that Jwara is Adi Manastapo, Santap of Mana or Sharira, which includes almost everything. All types of fever can be controlled with the help of Bruhat Kasturi Bhairav Ras. It can be used, however, with different Anupan and Sahapan for different subtypes of fevers. Like if it is Amati Sar or Grahani along with fever, then we can use Bilva Churna and Jirak Churna. Number 2, one of the important yog of Praval is Praval Panchamrit Ras. Praval, as you can see in this picture, with different marine products like Shankha, Kapardika, it can be used along with all of them in composition, and it can be processed with Arka Kshira, Celotropis procera, and after a proper trituration for 3 or 7 times, it is used as Praval Panchamrit Ras. All the ingredients are properly mixed and then triturated, and then once it is properly mixed, chakrika are made, dried in sunlight, kept in Sharav Sambut and given Gajaput. Now this is a kind of basic understanding. Whenever we prepare any bhasma where there is calcium carbonate, where there is one of the ingredient is calcium, always give high temperature. Normally maybe it is Shank Bhasma or any other Bhasma which contains calcium, then always Gajaputa is given. So after this Gajaputa, we will get smooth Bhasma and it is stored and divided into different doses. The third yoga is Brihat Va Chintamani Ras. Like Brihat Kasturi Bhairav Ras, Brihat Va Chintamani Ras is also very promising drug. It also contains Suvarna Basma, Raupya Basma, Abrak Basma, Loha Basma. Along with all of them, Praval Basma is there, and Rasa Sindur, Mukta Basma as well. And all these are triturated with Kumari Swaras. If you remember, in previous one, in Kasturi Bedavras, the Bhavna Dravya is completely different. Some of the pictures of ingredients. भावना द्रव्य is घृत कुमारी और एलोवेरा जूस. बृहत्वाद चिंतामणि रस is used with different anupan. यथा व्याधि अनुपानेन नाशयेत रोग संकुलम. रोग संकुलम. It is a beautiful terminology. Roga sankulam. More than one disease. Like these days, corona. When we talk about corona, some of the patients are having multiple complications. Multiple, that may be diabetes, heart disease, and blood pressure. And with that, they get corona positive test. So this is a kind of sankula, multiple complication. So in such condition, Brihatva Chintamani Ras can be used. Yatha Vyadhi Anupanena. So with different Anupan, we can use Brihatva Chintamani Ras. Vataroga Pittakrutam Nihanti Natra Chintanam. If it is Vatarog or Pittakrut, that is Paitik Rog. Nihanti Natra Chintanam. You don't need to even think of anything. You just prescribe this medicine. Vruddho api tarunaspardi Kandarpa Samavikramaha Drashtaha Siddha Falaschaya Vata Chintamani Stviha. So it says, along with different anupan, it can be used for treating different types of Vatic disease and Pitic disease. However, this medicine is somewhat expensive. As you can see in this slide, approximately one tablet costs around 80 rupees. But when we calculate this medicine, along with modern medicines like some of the antibiotic, they cost around 5,000 rupees per dose. So as compared to such medicine, this is very, very economical. Some of the anti-immunoglobulins or especially the neuro medicines, they are very, very expensive. So in that comparison, this is very, very economical medicine. The fourth one is Ratna Garbha Potali Rasa. If you remember, we have learned so far 4 different types of Rasa Yoga. One is Kharaliya, one is Kupi Pakwa, and this one is Potli Rasayan. So in Potli Rasayan, there are more than 65 different yogas are given in different classics. One of them is Ratna Garbha Potali Ras. Ratna Garbha Potali contains almost all the Ratnas like Mukta, Praval, Shankha, and along with them there are drugs like Parad, Vajra, that is Hirak, Diamond, Suvarna, Loha, Tamra, Rajat, Naga, and Maricha. So all of them are taken in equal part, and according to standard procedure of preparing potli, we prepare potli, and this potli is indicated for treating varieties of neuromuscular disorders. The dose may be up to 2 to 4 ratti according to different classics. It can be used for controlling Kshaya Roga as well. It can be useful for Astamaha Roga as well. So I hope you guys are now well aware about the basics of coral, that is Pravala as
लोग कहते
medicine.
हैं शादी हो गई, अब घर संभाल, माँ बन गई, तो करियर ही कर. But I believe women can do it all. I believe in inner strength. I believe in Corcal bone.
So this Corcal capsule or Corcal tablets contains nothing, only and only Praval.